Alrighty, this is our 2-year-old pen, I guess you could call him, because most of these dogs range in about that age. We have here, this is Otis. Otis is very, very good. Yes, aren't you, Otis? Everyone thinks they're getting a treat right now, but I don't have any. But yes, that's Otis. Again, about 2 years old. Aren't you? You're coming up too. Oh, March, I think, is when your birthday is. Yes, and there's Otis. Beautiful dog, aren't you, baby? This is Bernice. Bernice, and that is our lovely, lovely, has to be always jumping up, down girl. She's the alpha in this group. Yes, she is, along with Libra. Also about the same age, 1.5 years old or so. Yes. Very beautiful dogs, eh, aren't you, girls? Yes. And this is Mikey. Yeah, Mikey, there we go, Mikey. Yes, choo, choo, choo. Mikey's good. All of these dogs are not good. Some of them, every one of these dogs act a little differently when they're outside the pen versus how active and rambunctious they are in the pen. This is Doc. Doc is also just about 2 years old. Beautiful, beautiful dog, eh? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Upside down, Doc. There we go. Oh, see? All of these dogs are getting a little bit of training, but you gotta sit. Sit for me, Doc. Come on, sit. There we go. Good girl, Doc. Yeah, it didn't last long, did it? Oh, yes. My sweets. It's hard not to say no to any of these guys. So, in this pen we have Otis. We have Mikey that's sniffing my feet. We have Libra. We have Doc. And we have Bernice. Also sniffing the floor. There we go, yes. Everyone there. Bernice and these guys are actually very shy when they're outside the pen because they haven't gotten a chance to know and be outside too much in the outside surroundings. But we're working on that now with our weekly and even more so weekly dog walks. Some of these dogs are getting a chance to explore and trust people and trust cars and get to enjoy actually and explore the outdoors. Oh yes, there's Libra right in the camera. Let's go down, girl. Yes. So these guys aren't so bad right now. Until they jump up on me again. Again, Otis, Bernice, Doc, Mikey, Libra's in behind here sitting like a perfect girl. Perfect little lady. There we go. Let's see what they do when I leave. Say goodbye, doll. Oh, hold on. Libra. Yeah, they all want to have their